Today, we will be talking on
gendered varietal and trait preferences of common bean value chain actors in Uganda, implications for breeding. Uganda is amongst the top 5 common bean producing countries in Eastern Africa.
bean is consumed in most households in Uganda. Once considered the meat for the poor, it is increasingly consumed by the rich due to its nutritional and health benefits.
Women are the primary producers and processors of beans, with men involved in regional and international markets. Common bean breeding and seed release over the past years has been shaped mainly by information from varietal and trait preferences of men and women farmers. Even though the program has been successful, the adoption rate of improved bean varieties is still low with room for improvement. This study aims to understand what other traits are preferred by men and women consumers, processors and traders, which, if considered, will enhance adoption of most improved bean varieties. Study area and methodology. A mixed method was used to collect data from December 2019 to January 2020. Data was collected through ODK from 236 respondents in 5 districts in central and eastern Uganda, with 147 consumers, 21 processors, and 64 traders. 4 focus group discussions took place in Wakiso, disaggregated by sex.
Information on men and women's farmer trait preferences have focused more on responding to climatic changes. Men and women prefer bean varieties that are high-yielding, drought-tolerant, disease-tolerant, and early maturing.
Discussion with processors, consumers, and traders has brought to light other trait preferences related to short cooking time, palatability, affordability, ability to stay whole and maintain color after cooking, texture,
Shelf life, and thick stew.
Before, men preferred varieties that had a great market demand, and women went for varieties best for food security at home. Men and women processors and traders had slight varietal preferences, but mostly go for Nambale Omumpi, Nambale Omuwanvu, Kanyabwa, Masindi Yellow, and Nabe 4, Nabe 1, and Nabe 3. Results: trait preferences. With schools demanding for fast-cooking beans, men and women are moving toward bean with these traits to meet school demands. Given that the responsibility of purchasing cooking fuel is on men, they're also pushing for beans that save energy. Men's choice of bean varieties was related to cost in growing it, income generated, and exchange for school fees, while women in addition also considered the taste, affordability, and the quantity after preparation to feed the household. Women's preference for fast cooking traits was attributed to their social role in the society and household as caregivers and food providers, while that of men attributed to their role as the head of the house, expected to provide income for the household needs. Conclusion. Socio-demographic factors like the age, being a household head, wealth, county of origin, marital status, access to seed and plots under beans significantly predicted choice of such varieties for consumers and traders. If these preferences are considered by
all bean stakeholders,
we would see an enhanced breeding program that meets food and nutritional security, poverty reduction, and gender equality. Thank you for listening. Hopefully, you'll take action.